Hi, this is Cherie with Cherie by Sea, and today we're going to do something a little different. We are going to go to the Dollar Tree. I'm taking a friend on her very first cruise ever. I just booked us a cruise on Holland America's new Staten Dam, and I thought it would be really cool to go put her a little gift bag together of things to take on the cruise that'll get her even more excited. What better place to go than the Dollar Tree? I just thought it would be really cool to see what kind of goodies we could get for her to take on her cruise that would only cost us $1, or I think it's $1.25 now. Come with me and let's see what we can find. So right away I'm seeing these little work light with magnets. So it's like a little night light and it has a magnet on it. And FYI, cruise ship walls are metal, so magnets stick to them. So this would be cute for a little night light so she doesn't have to wake me up when she gets up in the middle of the night for a potty run or what else. I think we'll throw this in the basket. Another great find, motion sickness relief, because you just never know. You wouldn't want seasickness to ruin a good cruise, especially not for her first time. And then aren't these cute little travel first aid kits? We gotta throw one of these in the basket too. So this little elderly woman pops in and says, "Excuse me, ma'am, but can I ask, what in the world are you doing?" It's a video camera, and I'm making a video about things you can get from the Dollar Tree for a cruise. Okay. Okay, now that was embarrassing. Back to the hunt. Oh, how about we get one of these travel-sized deodorants and it says Tropical Paradise. Perfect. It's going in the basket. These say BPA free. I wonder if they are. I mean, surely they wouldn't lie to us, huh? I think I'm going to throw this in too. So even though we do have the drink package on this cruise, I decided to get her that water bottle anyways because I like to take a water bottle when I go to ports, just so I don't have to buy a whole bunch of bottled waters, and you want to stay hydrated when you're out in these tropical locations all day. So I threw the bottle in anyway. So it's still going to save us some money. I was hoping that they would have like a Tide pin. Oh my gosh. Because if you've watched my 20 things that I don't cruise without, Tide pin is one of them. It's not Tide, it's an Oxy pin, but we're going to throw that in the cart too. And of course, Ziploc bags is always on my list because I can take cookies from the buffet back to my room or any kind of snacks that I want, really. So yeah, definitely going in the basket. And earplugs because, you know, she may be a snorer, I may be a snorer. I don't want to ruin her first cruise with my loud snoring. So these are definitely going in the basket. Another thing I just found that I had kind of forgot about to my last cruise, I had had several drinks that day, and my friend at dinner pulls out a little pack of electrolytes, and she says, "Here, add this to your water so you don't have a headache in the morning," because you know, sometimes on a cruise ship we like to have a little bit to drink. So I'm going to throw these in here because it's her first cruise, and I definitely plan on doing a bar crawl with her. Put some electrolytes in your water. Okay, so I'm home from the Dollar Tree. Let's go over everything that I got and pack it in this cute little bag and get ready to gift it to my friend. So first of all, I did get the cute little bag. So I'm gonna take off the tag here and you can see it was $1.25. See what else we got. I got these toothbrush covers. I have a thing about leaving my toothbrush like out in the open when people come to clean my room. I don't know if I think they're gonna like spray cleaner and cleaner residue or Windex or whatever it's gonna get on my toothbrush. So I always use a toothbrush cover when I travel. $1.25 for 4. Pretty good deal. And then of course we got the BPA free water bottle. Now it's not insulated, so it's not going to keep your water cold, but you could put some ice in this on the ship and fill it up with water before you go to your port day, and at least it could save you 2 bottled waters at port. And of course, a first aid kit. I always carry one of these with me on a cruise. I know that they have a clinic on the ship and you can always go down to whatever level that clinic is on to get anything that you may need. But it's just more convenient for me to have this. As a mom, I'm just used to carrying a first aid kit wherever I go because as soon as I don't have it with me, that's when I'm gonna need it. Ziploc bags, you know, for all those snacks that you want. Someone recently made fun of me over my 20 things that I don't cruise without, and they were like 80% of the things on your list was some sort of bag, and that might be true, but Ziploc bags just come in handy for so many things. And the little magnetic nightlight. Okay, this is really cool. It does take battery, so even though it only cost $1.25, you know, you have to have more money, or if you're like me, I always get the big battery packs. It's Christmas time now. It's December. I'm sure every mom always buys like big packs of batteries for all the things that you're getting for the kiddos, so I'm sure she'll have some extra batteries laying around. This one takes 3 AA batteries. It's magnetic. It can stick right to your cruise cabin wall because the walls are magnetic. And the Tide pen that's not Tide. It's an OxiClean stain pen, and these are invaluable. Especially, a lot of ships nowadays have white night. Nothing terrifies me more than wearing like a white dress all day long and eating and drinking. And you can just stick this in your bag and it really does work miracles. Toothpaste. Everybody wants fresh breath. Seriously, guys, this is not even the tiny thing of toothpaste that you usually get in travel sections. This is like a medium-sized toothpaste, which is perfect because it's plenty for the week, or actually 8 days, because we always get into our cruise port 1 day early, right? Because we know that flights can get delayed, things can happen, and we don't want to miss out on our cruise because we took a chance in coming in last minute. And earplugs, because I'm such a good friend and I know that I snore. So if you are sharing a cabin with someone for the first time, or your partner and you know that they snore, this is a good option if you don't want your sleep interrupted. Next, we have motion sickness relief. And it says on the package that you compare to the Dramamine less drowsy version. And I don't know about you if you've ever checked labels on off-brand medications, but usually the ingredients are exactly the same as the name brand ingredients. So all you're paying for when you buy name brand like pain reliever or whatnot, you're paying for the advertising for the company. You're paying for the brand name. This is exactly the same ingredients that less drowsy Dramamine has in it, and it was $1.25. And next, so not only do we want our breath to smell good, we want our pits to smell good. And this is just like a travel size deodorant, but again, it's bigger than the travel size deodorants that you see at like Walmart or CVS. It's kind of a medium sized deodorant. So it takes up less room, and it's plenty to last the 7 or 8 days, 10, 12, however many days your cruise might be. I thought this was a really great find. And last but not least, it's the hydration packs, the little electrolyte packs to put in your water so that you don't have a hangover as much or a headache after drinking too much. And even if you don't use it for that, it's just always good to stay hydrated, right? When you're out in these tropical locations, you know, you're going to sweat a lot. You're going to be out in the sun all day, and you're probably not used to that. And if you forget to drink as much water as you really need to compensate for the water that you're going to lose, these are a great option to have on hand. Okay guys, so her cruise bag is all ready to go. At the end of this, I'm gonna leave you the total of how much I spent at the Dollar Tree on these 12 items. And let me know in the comments down below if you found other great things at the Dollar Tree that maybe I overlooked or my Dollar Tree didn't have. Let me know the things that you found. And as always, if you found anything helpful or useful in this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. And until next time, happy cruising.